Welcome to Shop Early Black Friday of Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, with Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, HEPA Filter, Swivel Steering, Upholstery Tool and Pet Crevice Tool. Perfect for pets and multi-surface cleaning. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include: Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap, vs. Shark Bristle Nozzles. Lift-away functionality, detachable pod for cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology, works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets, the Pet Crevice tool removes pet hair from hard-to-reach spaces like corners, ceilings, and between couch cushions. Swivel Steering, easily maneuver your vacuum to get in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Upholstery Tool, picks up pet hair and debris from curtains, lampshades, and other delicate fabrics, as well as shelves, tables, and walls. If you want to get full features and full details of Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, with Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, please visit the link in YouTube description. And if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.